The beaches in Dar es Salaam are getting busy again. Tanzania didn't have strict lockdown measures like some of its neighbours, and now it's lifting them. President John Magufuli encouraged people to gather and pray in churches and mosques to fight the coronavirus. Crowds came out for the Eid al-Fitr celebration on Sunday.
Corona still exists and we need to protect ourselves, washing our hands with soap and wearing masks, although I haven't worn a mask now, but Corona exists.
The government hasn't released much data for the last month. It says the numbers of new cases are going down, but the opposition says the government can't be trusted. Activists have shared videos like this one on social media showing burials at night. They say the government's hiding coronavirus deaths. The Ministry of Health has since said the night burials should stop.
We don't trust the government figures. Tanzanians live as if COVID-19 pandemic is not here. So the government response was very, very disappointing, very underwhelming, and we are so much worried that the lives of Tanzanians will be lost.
This is one of the main hospitals for COVID-19 patients in Dar es Salaam. Nobody's allowed to film any of them. The government denies reports that hospitals are overwhelmed with cases. Activists have been arrested for challenging the government's account. Some prevention measures are in place, but for the large part, it's business as usual. The US Embassy has said evidence suggests the pandemic is growing exponentially in the city. President Magufuli has consistently played it down.
If you lock someone up in a house, according to the literature we have read, the day you let him out, his immunity would have reduced by 30%. So allowing continued interaction helps us build immunity, and this shall help us fight diseases.
The freedoms to pray and trade are popular among many Tanzanians. Lockdowns have been devastating for the poor in neighbouring countries. But here, it's still not clear what the cost of those freedoms will be. Malcolm Webb, Al Jazeera.